Hi everyone, today I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial of how to set up and use the new Parent Portal login. Okay, so to start off, as a teacher, you're going to go to My Site, to one of your classrooms, and from here you're going to go to your parent list. So Settings and Parents. Perfect. So here you're going to see a list of every parent for each student. And to invite them, you can see this checkbox here, give it a tick, and that's going to highlight every single parent. So once you've done this, you then need to invite them to this portfolio. Okay, so from here you're going to see all the parents in a list, and this is going to allow the parents to access their child's portfolio, make comments and subscribe to email notifications. So after you've confirmed this, they're going to receive an email. So just press confirm. Okay, and then here we can see it says pending verification. So once they've received the email and they've gone through the next following steps, that will show that they've been registered. The next thing that I'm going to show you is from the parent side. So the email that they'll receive and what they're going to do. So if I just go to my emails, and here we are, you are invited to view Declan's portfolio, and that will say whatever their child's name is called. So then I'm going to go to Parent Portal. Okay, so from here I'm going to be asked a few verification questions. We've got the enter the student ID, and you can change these if you're an administrator, but for now we're just going to stick with the student ID number. So I'm going to type in Declan's student ID, and then I'm going to connect. So this will then take them straight to their student's portfolio. They'll be able to see any posts. As you can see, we now have this little yellow glow around some of our pieces, which means that this parent hasn't viewed this piece yet. It's a new one that's just been uploaded to the portfolio. Okay, now if they decided that they wanted to opt out of the emails, they can just go to their account and make sure this box is unchecked. So that can be modified by the parent as well. And then once they've done all that, they can just sign out of their account. And it's that simple, it's really easy. Now they'll be able to stay connected with their portfolio. So the great thing about this is they won't have to sign in every time. Now that they've done it once, their information will be saved. And when they receive these emails, they'll be able to click on the link and it will sign them in automatically and take them to the updated portfolio. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, just a quick run through of how it works. And hopefully now you can go and enjoy your new Parent Portal. Okay, thanks guys.